We can do compás por bulería in many different ways, according to the accents we want to give and we want to stress. So let's see the first option we have. We stress the compás on number 6 and number 12. So it would be like this. We stress the number 6 and 12 with the foot, and then we do all the other numbers with the palma. It would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pa, pu, pa, I, pa, 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 a. And there is a small accent also in the third palma. Pa, pum, pa, I, pa, pu, pa, I. Because these two palmas corresponds to number 3 and to number 9. Let's see it again. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next way to stress and make accent with the compás por bulería is to do the accent with the foot on every 3 numbers. So number 12, number 3, 6, and 9. And again, 12, 3, 6, and 9. While we don't stop doing the palmas. It will be like this. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. So on number 6 and 12, we are still doing just the foot and not the palmas. While on number 3 and number 9, we do together both palma and foot. So it will be like this. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another way of doing compás por bulería is to stress number 12, number 3, and instead of number 6 and 9 with the foot, we stress number 7 and 8. So it will be like this. And then again the 12. So it will be like this. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, we do number 6 with the palma instead of leaving it without palma. So, do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pa, 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 pa. 1, pa, po, pa, I, pa, 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 pa. So in this case, we are playing with palmas and golpe in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 altogether, 11, 12. Let's repeat this one. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pa, 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 pa. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pa, 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 I, pa, 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 boom. Pa, 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 I. So let's play with these 3 options and let's do 2 compasses of each all together. So 2 of the first one, 2 of the second one, and 2 of the third one. It will sound like this. Now let's speed up the rhythm and do the same, but a little bit faster. From the beginning.